catch the attention. You catch the attention.
Guys, 15 minutes na lang.
Then, so hard to work with student 7 years old. So hard really. My family is not support because my family is poor. My tatay, the rich name of rich people is daddy, mama. But my parents is tatay, nanay. Because the word is poor. Tatay, nanay. This is a sign. And Jesus filled us with a personal presence to the Holy Spirit. How to receive the Holy Spirit? Our experience is courage. Our experience again and again faith. Our experience who are struggling in your life. My situation, my experience, so hard to study. And during the time in AUP, and so hard. So hard to say this. Okay. Okay. Jesus with us with his personal presence through the Holy Spirit. And then, what is the work of the Holy Spirit? God gave me way to be a servant leader. Because ay hindi Holy Tagalog, Tagalog salita. Tagalogin mo.
I think you should preach in Tagalog.
Preach in Tagalog. Let's sing.
Are you sure?
Preach Tagalog. Listen
As
us.
a working student, being student, mahirap po. I don't know your situation. Yung kayo ay paano kayo nag-aaral ng elementary, high school, and then until now, college. But my experience ay dinaan ko na lang sa saya ng buhay. Sapagkat ang buhay po namin ay napakahirap. Nagbabago po ako